The median of domestic water consumption per household per day is about 125 gallons per household day, or 472 liters PhD. We all consume a high amount of water, and many don't even notice it. Using a water submeter to record water consumption offers considerable savings for water and, in turn, dollars. Unusual high consumption results from a leaky faucet or a stuck toilet flapper valve. By flagging these, the building manager or the owner can take action. Therefore, it's vital that proper care is taken when installing them. Here are basic guidelines to follow when installing them. Checklist before installing. 1. The service lines, valves, connections, and meters must be watertight. 2. Locate the meter position where it will be easily accessible for reading, inspection, and service. Installation process. Start by thoroughly flushing the water service line upstream of the meter to remove dirt and debris. Next, remove air from the meter by temporarily installing the meter on slant or upside down while running water through the meter to expel the air inside. Once the air is expelled, set the meter in line horizontally with the register facing up and level. Verify for proper alignment and spacing of all fittings. Skewness of pipes stress the connections and makes it difficult to obtain a watertight connection. Place the ring gaskets inside the connection coupling nuts, ensuring proper sitting. Set the meter below the coupling nuts, properly positioned so that the flow indication or arrow on the meter housing points in the direction of flow. Start the coupling nuts at the threaded meter ends. Verify that the coupling nuts are properly aligned to avoid cross-threading damage or stripping to the meter ends. Support the meter and the piping adequately to avoid movement and vibration. Make provisions for future repairs by installing an upstream and a check valve or a backflow preventer downstream from the meter. A valve before the meter will allow local shutoff of the water if change or repair is later needed. The backflow preventer is recommended by several bylaws to protect the water source and to protect the meter. It will keep water from draining when changing or removing the meter. For residential installations, make sure to have a floor drain below in the proximity of the meter to drain the water in case of a leak or when servicing or changing the meter. Slowly open upstream valves, releasing the flow downstream progressively to prevent damage to the meter. After installation, protect the meter and piping against frost, flooding, mechanical damage, and tampering. The installed meter must not be an obstacle or a hazard to the customer or interfere with public safety. Now that water meter is in place, you can look forward to not only save money, but also save the environment, as the recordings will help to conserve water too.